In today's video, I'm showing you an intriguing activity that students of all ages will love. All you need is a balloon, a piece of tape, and a pin or a sewing needle. I was taught this activity by my father. My students get very used to me saying that, more often than not when I'm teaching algebra, and if I forget to teach my dad's way, my students do remind me, because my father's way is always shorter, easier, and you can still find the correct answer 100% of the time. Anyway, let's get back to our activity. You're going to take your piece of tape and place it onto your balloon. Next, you take your pin and poke a hole in the tape. The balloon has not popped. This is not magic. There is an actual reason. The tape is holding the balloon together and keeping it from popping. Now that you have created a hole in the balloon, you will notice a darker spot on the balloon not too far away from your hole. Take your pin and poke a hole in that spot. Again, the balloon did not pop. However, the air will blow the pin out of the hole if you do not hold it in. This area was not stretched as tight as the rest of the balloon. So although it will start blowing air out at you, it will not pop the balloon. If you take your pin and poke the balloon on any other area where the balloon is stretched tight or has nothing extra to give it more room, then pop goes your balloon. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun activity. Let me know in the comments down below if you try this out at home or in the classroom with your students. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.